I've been in Mexico for 2 weeks now. Not sure I got better at surfing, but definitely got a lot more tanner. I discovered a natural hot spring and did pregnancy photo shoot with my friend Desi, who's about to give birth in a week. If you want to learn some Spanish,
Saladita means salty.
watch some cool surfing, keep watching.
It's really raining, but you know, it's not always about the waves.
Got here realizing it's anything now. So what we gonna do?
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
See, do you think this guy looks like the Asian version of me?
Tristan, let's make an Asian version of you tonight.
2 weeks in Mexico, one thing I learned is it's legal to drink and drive in this town. We're heading to hot spring now, doing some nude Boudoir shoot. Sorry I cannot show what the finished pic on here, but you get the storyline. We got there, found a perfect place to shoot, but too many bugs in the water. I said maybe not there.
There's so many of those.
Strong pregnant woman said, I can take it out. If you want to see more of the photos, check it out here. I heard it somewhere that when you're driving, you use your hand to feel the wind. If you drive about 20 miles per hour, it felt like an A or B cup. If you drive 50 miles per hour, it felt like a C or D cup.
I'm touching a woman's breast.
Oh,
Do you feel it? Yeah. Nice.
I'm gonna take you to the best ceviche and tiritas in Sigua.
Just let go of sorrow, like there's no tomorrow, 'cause tonight might be your last. So stay up till sunrise, wipe the tears from your eyes, leave it in the past. The past, the past, the past, the past. Leave it in the past. The past, the past, the past, the past. Leave it in the past.
Breakdancing boogie, my love. This is 1971. I crave that brain and that flesh. Cups of tea and gums that bleed red.
Make the thumb, so the R, the thumb goes up and then goes down. Enamorado. Are you in love with me?
No.
I should go to the octopus then. I'll put enamorado.
This is Jesse.
Hey everybody. I'm here to fuck around and have some fun.
But anyway, he's gonna try to learn how to surf today. Yeah. You look very white, by the way. I get his feet. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Just like this. And then you have to be like a Superman. Try to be cool. Like this. All the time.
With the balance board.
Yeah, you have to be like that, you know? And make sure you do a peace sign.
Like this?
No, not like that. Too close, man. Too close, man. Not too much, man.
Alright, let's go out there. Let's fucking go. Like, come
So
on.
when you paddle, you know how to paddle, right?
Like a fish?
Yeah, you're like this.
Yeah, of course. I got it. I'm just watching.
Okay.
Whoa, our options are limitless. Putting in effort for the effort is too effortless. Whoa, fuck, check, see the necklace. Gold hit the lips every time that I'm hitting it. I told her, baby, I'm sorry, but if you think we got problems, then baby, watch Mari. Yeah, that's why you gotta smell the roses. We parted ways like she cheated with Moses. That's fucked up, but a lot of things are in Hollywood, but I never see stars. Do anything for you, that's love. Go anywhere for you, that's love. Might even kill for you, that's love. And if you're still tripping, that's drugs.
Just let go of sorrow, like there's no tomorrow, 'cause tonight might be your last. So stay up till sunrise, wipe the tears from your eyes,
light so extra bright, it's so extra bright. So I break the beat and I scratch it. She beat like cancer, she beat like dancing. Straight to my mattress, I was on smashing, I was on average. She was cadaver, no free smoke when your bay is gone. Wild love when it's free and it does no harm. New phone, who's this? And my life's on charge. 2 shows, pay rent, get a girl, get a job. Belly of the beast when I walk in the streets. All I see is fake love, insecurity. 2 months, 7 days off when you first came, walked in off-white.
Today my best friend's leaving. I'm quite sad.
Just if this car can make it to Mexico City, it can make it to the fucking ice cream store.
Dear best friend, you left today. I never traveled with someone before, and you were there with me the first time. It made me so happy. This spontaneous adventure took a lot out of us. It's the first time we really argue. We didn't talk to each other for a day or maybe a half of a day. But still, I love you so much. I surfed, and I found out I went to the bathroom and I saw something that's so cute. Not worth paying attention, but the fact that he put in the bathroom because you know I will for sure in the bathroom. He put this favorite chocolate. I'm not even sure it's real chocolate, but it tastes really good. It's his favorite, and then he said this. Oh, I love you, Tristan. But what I realize is, you heal from movement and traveling, meeting new people as you lose one, another come into your life.
What does Carlos look like?
He's like a little cute smile.
But he wants to be
I wonder if she'd call me a lion.
I wish that we had snacks.